Hey guys, what's up? So Mishi here. Oh my god, it has been ages since I've taken up the camera, did a vlog, and I know people have been asking me, Mishka, when's the next vlog coming out? I am so sorry, but it's just that work has been taking up so much of my time. I haven't been out, I haven't been doing much, so I haven't gotten to do anything at all. But still, I did actually vlog on January the 1st. I went to Cane River Falls. I did a vlog, but time did not, I didn't get a time actually to edit it, so that's why I didn't get to put it up. But I will put a clip of that vlog in this vlog so that you guys can see what I've been up to. So today we're going to Cane River Falls, and I've never been there before. I've only seen pics, and as always the place is pretty lovely there from the pics that I've seen. So I'm pretty excited about going there, and I'm taking you guys with me. So for my friend that asks when am I gonna see Mishi the Explorer again, she's back. So yeah, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. So see you guys later when I'm there. Mwah. So Cane River Falls is in Dallas Mountains, and that's where we are right now. Dallas Mountains. So I'm excited to see it. And look at my phone case that I got yesterday. I just love it. It's hard getting a nice phone case for the S6 here, and I don't even remember the name of the place, but I'll put a link down below as to where, if you're in Jamaica and you'd like some really nice and fancy phone cases, where to get them. She has some really cute phone cases. On the Bailey Bridge. That's the bridge, and we'll be walking under it. So we're here at the venue. Yay! And yes, there are people there. Welcome to Cane River Falls. And the entrance is $200 for adults and $100 for children. So this is the venue. Beautiful sky out today. Clear skies. So yeah. Nice secluded place. So now we're walking down to the falls. It's a bit slippery. But yeah. And that is the overhead bridge, and this is the river running down. Not so clear, but how the river. So now we're entering the cave. Big rock. Oh my god. We're gonna have to walk down there. Ah. Wow. Can you imagine walking under these big ass rocks? Oh. little bar at the Cane River Falls. You can come here and get your little beer or some snacks. Nice little chill while you're enjoying the falls. So yeah, I have work today at 4 and it's after 1 now, so we're leaving soon. And then I'm gonna go home and get ready for work. And it's work on a holiday, so more money. Fighting Zika.
Eh?
Fighting Zika. Nobody wants to catch this girl.
What is a Zika? Where Zika go?
Yeah, so we're at Falling Edge WaterFalls again. What I'm doing today. Yeah. So one of our favorite spots or secluded waterfalls at Falling Edge. So yeah. So you guys remember this, right? No sun in sight.
Voilà, mais vidéo non.
Ike.
What kind? Wait here, but now wait here.
Like, we're telling Nadia that the hike is going to be probably a challenge for her because she has on flip-flops and she hasn't reached the part where the balancing needs to take place. So she's Snapchatting. Follow her on Snapchat. But yeah.
What is that?
The zinc fence. You have to climb over.
Wait. So what kind of luck this?
And we're here with Ackee and SaltFish, the two Jamaican Japanese. What's that?
The black man can't swim.
Oh, Flex?
The one we can't swim. The first black man we meet we can't swim, you know.
Well, so life go.
No, till we never get this up.
Woo. Hello.
Hi.
Man go chop bush.
Okay.
You next time you get a bush, girl?
What the poor tea there?
Oh, you're not gonna have any service
Jesus.
Till you reach the fall.
until you reach the falls.
Pretty door. Oh man, me not. Like all the people who don't go there first, always want to lead. You remember
Them a
this
manage, yeah, them a manage. All you have to do is just follow the trail.
Yeah, man.
When there's no turn off, so we get you follow it.
No, there is a turn off coming up,
Couple turn off.
but just don't take the wrong turn.
Turn off, man. Sometimes
Yo,
it's
this is like an episode of Wrong Turn.
Exploring in the bush, going to a secluded waterfalls with Nadia. And all these bamboo trees.
Fragile one all the way at the back. And some people disappear in the bush, you know.
Bamboo.
Mishka, where you find a bush here?
Me?
Man.
I don't know. My friend of mine brought me here, but
Uncle boat.
yeah, but I never him. I me tell him about it, and then I just tell him to come and go find it.
Plan.
Flex, Flex, come help Nadia.
You know what? Let me find the shortcut.
There is no shortcut.
Of
Right.
course.
Oh, me never know about that shortcut. Oh, you guys enjoying it so far?
Them love it, them just want to take picture. Yeah.
They can't put a week.
Get tired, son. Won't you? One or two old man. Tired for?
You know, the 49-year-old men are asking us how we are tired.
Tired for?
You liking it?
Yeah, man.
Asians are much more durable than black people.
No, I don't know.
Come on. They keep some
You need to exercise more.
Come back and dump it.
Oh. Take my bag. May I go walk that way and see what happens.
Me not have no part in it.
But I think that part is actually gonna bring you to the top of the falls.
One of them day I will explore it. When the proper stuff.
one fine day.
When the proper stuff is gone.
Well, we can't come boot.
Well, the falls is near.
Back here, right up. That's on the first rock.
Yeah, the far, that is the far, son.
Yeah,
Alright, it's not so far.
it's not that far.
Yeah, play with you.
I tell you, this is the hard part. This is the hard part of
You
the.
go down there.
Yeah.
You
So
can
this is
jump
the.
it, jump from top to but
So we are hold me.
No, like this. Right here.
That's about the fall.
Oh, the falls. Oh no, I don't know how to get to the extreme top. Yeah.
Why?
I see him where Tiffany go on.
Excuse, give away. Okay, so she's having a hard time going over.
Lord God, I'm afraid of heights.
All the Asians
I
gone.
asked you.
The jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Ooh, yeah! No live nowhere. Live nowhere.
No, it's right around the corner. The falls is right there.
right around the corner, you know. It means
It's true,
Next
though.
week.
no man, it means over one hill, around one corner.
Enjoying?
Yeah, man, go on.
One big thing.
You can see it. You see it?
Scary. But yet again, I've been hearing water all this time.
This is so nice, though. Like, real nice.
Gentlemen, we are here.
So it seems as if we have company today. It's gonna be like the first time we're coming here where there's actually other people at the falls before us. And see, Ackee and SaltFish enjoying. They're down there taking pics. They're enjoying this a lot. And the bamboo, the river stream, and then the falls over there. So yeah, so a lot of persons always ask, Mishka, why do you like doing all of these stuff? Aren't you afraid? Actually, no, I'm not. I just love exploring as always, and I will just explore and explore and explore away. I just need to find some more places to show you guys, which I will do as soon as I get some more time from work. So yeah. So yeah, we're lighting a fire. We surround with mosquito.
Need something good for life, sir.
Wait, did show the rum on it?
Yep. Alcohol.
Alcohol?
Maintain fire.
Maintain the fire? Yeah.
No, rum is.
Why are you drinking that?
Yeah, man, I know for life fire.
You probably have to light it like from under here, so
I know this.
Jamaican style, but it does not work.
Gnarly. Pakistan.
Ackee?
Ready?
We're trying to light a fire.
Notice, right?
Okay, so I missed to see when Ackee finally got it to light. Like there. The Jamaicans couldn't do it. but Japanese got it done.
Oh, no, that would be interesting.
Huh? Put a what? What?
Put some of that.
So let me get a close up of the fire. Let's see that. Oh, that's so cute. The fire is so cute. It just looks like
Yo.
you know?
Yeah, cool.
So SaltFish finally gone inside. Well, this is
All
gonna
him
be
want to do
cool.
is go in there with him GoPro.
Yeah, might as well.
It's cold though. What's the matter with heart attack? No, you know a Japanese sir? We don't have to put that out there. We don't have to put that out there, Japanese. Oi. Yeah.
What's it called?
Oh, wow, no.
What's it called?
Yeah. Sure, me too
Oh
good.
God.
Me have more body fat.
Mine get heart attack, man. I can't get in there. Can't get in there.
But the money get heart attack.
No one. Okay, so we're taking a detour to see if we can get to the top of the falls. Can probably go below. Can go under. Ah. Oh. That was a fail. Yo, look at all these bush. Bare bush. I don't know why I like taking these kind of risks.
Yeah.
But I hope it's pretty up there.
Can't cut down.
Yeah. Can make them stay. Ouch!
Yeah? Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So this is the first time you're coming on something like this?
First time. Yes. I'm a Japanese.
Alright.
Oh, fine. Oh, this.
I see a lighting like we're almost there. Woo. Okay, so we walked and we walked and now we're somewhere, but not really sure if it is where we thought it would be. Oh, so it's like just a river. Oh, so it's actually just a river. So yeah, we did a lot of hiking, and believe me, it's the worst thing doing it in these kind of slippers. And we thought we would have seen the top of the falls, but I wonder what's in that direction. Or no? I guess the river just run until we reach the falls. I'm gonna see. So this is where we ended up. Yeah. Yeah, so after that long hike, this is where we ended up. Just more bush. But the water is so nice. So pretty. I think mosquitoes start biting me now. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Yeah, be careful.
Yo, down here. Hello.
If you guys still want to follow me and to see what I'm actually up to while I'm not vlogging, you can actually follow me on Snapchat. I use that a lot, more than Instagram these days. Mishi the Cutie, and I actually post a lot of videos there, especially when I find some time to. So yeah, you can follow me there.